Hi there guys, it's Mark here at MAS Audio in Northampton. Just doing a quick video, and we are repairing a Volvo XC90 ICM. Now this is the unit that, that's the main circuit board, this is the display part of it. So we've disassembled this unit and got to the board. As you can see, I've been doing some work already. Most common problems with these are capacitors. So you see these silver capacitors here, and we've got those two there, those two there. Most of the time it's these ones. So you go these two, and the one that was just here. Now they are, I can't see the value on the phone, won't focus, but it's 100 mic 16 volt is the original one there, and then we've got 10 mic 16 volt for the four smaller ones, and there we go, got a new pack there of those. And also this this thing here is the 5 volt regulator, and there is a replacement one just there which we're going to fit as well. So obviously we've done a test with our capacitor meter. Most of them read either compare or bad, but yeah, the new ones either read good or just in the compare region. The old ones either read bad or very low compare, so we know they're all faulty. So we're going to change all them out, and that should fix it. So if you've got one of these that's playing up and doing all sorts of weird and wonderful problems, this is the board to look at, and we would recommend changing these components over. So if you want to have a go at it yourself, you can. If you want to send the unit to us for repair, we can do a repair for you. Okay, so we've just tested those capacitors with the ESR meter. The first four readings were these four old ones I took out. Then that was the that's the new one of the new ones that's going to go in. So we read that, and then we read this one, which was the old one, which is the what's that? The 100 mic value, that one. And then the final one we read was the new 100 mic capacitor that went all the way to the green and read good. So you can see the comparison, the first four readings to the new one, then the old 100 to the new one, and the locations, that's where the 100 mic goes, and then the other four small ones are these ones here. So we're going to change all those, fit the new ones in. And also we've got our 5 volt regulator out. All the other capacitors all read fine, so this one and these ones over here, they all read okay, they all read good, so there's no need to change those ones, and that should cure our problem. Okay, so the Volvo XC90 board we've now repaired. We've replaced those capacitors, the regulator, and it's just ready to be reassembled and sent back to the customer. So if you need any more information, you can contact us via our website www.masaudio.co.uk. Find our contact details there. If you want to send us a unit for repair, then just get in contact with us. And if you want to have a go at this yourself, we can send you a parts kit. If you want to order a parts kit, which is the regulator and those capacitors, we can sell that to you as well if you want to do it yourself. Alright, thanks for watching. Hope this was of some help to some of you out there. Thanks, bye.